Thank you for joining us today for our virtual training. Today we will go over the basic functions of your telephone and also some key features of your Glessner hosted phone system. After the video, if you have any questions, you can always email us at tcsupport@glessner.net or give us a call at 1-800-822-1528. Let's get started. Let's look over some key buttons on your telephone. This is the Fanville X6U phone. But most Fanville phones look very similar, so you can use this as an example. I will go over in more detail how to use these keys later in the video. First, let's go over how to make a call. Traditionally, you would need to select a line key or dial 9 to make an outbound call. On the eSIP system, you just need to dial. The system will distinguish between an outbound call or an internal call. So to make a call, I would lift my receiver, press the speaker key, or press the button on the side of my headset, then dial my number and press pound when finished. Pound is like the enter key on the system. It will tell the system you are done dialing and to send the digits that you have put into the phone. If you do not press pound, the phone will dial out, but will take between 3 and 7 seconds after the last digit dialed to start the call. Pound will get you there faster. Once you press pound, the system goes through a quick process of if the call is internal or external and route the call accordingly. When finished, simply hang up the call. Making an internal call is the same as making an outbound call. You can just dial the employee's extension number, usually 3 or 4 digits, and press the pound key, or press the DSS key beside their name. When speaking on an outside line and you have to have the person hold for a minute, but you're going to pick the call back up, you can simply put the call on hold. You are the only person that can pick a call back up off hold. Press the soft key, labeled hold, on your display, or press the button on your phone that looks like a handset with a pause symbol on it. You will see a pause symbol on your screen. The customer is hearing music on hold. You can then press the same button again to pick the call up or press the resume soft key on your display. If you need someone else to pick it up, you will need to use the park function, which we will go over next. If you need to put a call on hold to have someone else pick it up, you can use the park function. This will allow anyone else on the phone system to pick the call up. While talking to the customer, press the green Park 1, Park 2, or Park 3 keys on your display. Once you press the Park key, it will turn to a blinking red on your phone and everyone else's phone on the system. The Park codes that the system uses are 691 through 699 for a 3-digit extension scheme, or 6901 through 6909 for a 4-digit extension scheme. Park 1 being 691, Park 2 being 692, and so forth. This is helpful if you do not have park buttons on your phone, but still need to pick a call up. Once you have the call on Park, you can call another extension to alert them that they have a call on Park 1 or Park 2. Their park keys will be lit flashing red when this occurs. To pick the call up, simply lift your handset and press the red flashing park button that you need to answer. Or if you do not have a park button, you can dial the codes. Sometimes a caller will ask for a certain person to speak with. With this, you can simply just transfer the call to them without putting them on park. To do so, while speaking with the customer, press the transfer key, dial the extension number of the person you are looking for, or press the DSS key for that employee. If you dial the extension, you will have to press transfer again to complete the call. If you press the DSS key, it will just dial. If you see the employee is on the phone or away from their desk, you can offer voicemail to the caller. You can do this by pressing transfer, dial 8, and then dial the extension number of the employee, then press transfer to complete the call. You can also press transfer, 8, and press the DSS key of the extension, and it will transfer the call. If you have new voicemail messages on your phone, you will have a voicemail icon on your display, and also a white box will pop up telling you how many missed voicemails you have. To check your messages, you can press the OK button or press the voicemail button on your phone. This button looks like an envelope. It will then prompt you to enter your password. Press pound when you have entered your password, and it will take you to your mailbox. Alternatively, you can lift your handset, dial star 97, and press pound, and it will take you to your voicemail box. To check voicemails while you're away from the office, you can call the main number, and when the auto attendant answers, you can dial 8, then dial your extension. You will hear your greeting. Dial star and your password, and you will enter into your mailbox. Thank you again for joining us today for our virtual training. We hope this has been informative for your new phone system. If you have any questions regarding the video or need further assistance with your system, please reach out to us at tcsupport@glessner.net or call us at 1-800-822-1528. Thank you.